Have you heard about the latest breakthroughs in xenotransplantation? It's
Not really.
absolutely mind-blowing.
What's happening? Fill me in.
Well, companies like eGenesis are using CRISPR gene editing to modify pig organs,
Okay.
and they're successfully transplanting them into humans.
Seriously, that's incredible.
Yeah, they just completed their second successful human transplant using a genetically engineered pig kidney.
Wow.
The patient actually skipped dialysis for the first time in years.
That's amazing. But how are they preventing rejection?
So, they're removing antigens from the pig organs that trigger immune responses using CRISPR
Oh, I see.
and inserting human genes to make them more compatible.
So it's like customizing the organ to fit the human body.
Exactly. It's like tailoring a suit to fit perfectly, but
Right.
we're tailoring organs. They've made up to 69 gene edits.
69 edits? That's a lot. Doesn't that raise safety concerns?
They've addressed that by eliminating porcine endogenous retroviruses, reducing the
good.
risk of disease transmission. Safety is a top priority.
But are there ethical considerations with using animal organs?
Well, yes, there are ethical concerns,
Yeah.
but when the alternative is patients dying on waitlists, it becomes a vital option.
I suppose necessity pushes innovation. So who else is making strides here?
United Therapeutics and their subsidiary Revivicor are doing amazing work too.
Really?
They performed the first successful pig heart transplant in a human.
A pig heart? That's next level. How did they manage that?
They modified the pig heart by inactivating certain genes and adding human genes to
Interesting.
minimize rejection and prevent tissue overgrowth.
And the patient survived?
Yes, a 57-year-old man with no other options.
That's incredible.
He lived for a significant time with the pig heart.
Wow, that's a huge step forward. What about organ preservation during transplant?
Great question. They used the Svivo heart box to keep the heart viable, like keeping the engine
neat.
running until it's installed.
Haha, good analogy. Are other companies involved in this field?
Yes, Miromatrix is pioneering bioengineered organs using decellularization and recellularization. It's a mouthful, I know.
Decelu? What? How does that work exactly?
They strip pig organs of their cells, leaving a scaffold,
Okay.
then repopulate it with human cells.
So it's like remodeling a house, keeping the frame but changing everything inside?
Exactly. And they're working with Baxter to develop bioengineered liver therapies.
That's
It
fantastic.
could help patients with acute liver failure.
This is promising. But are they close to human trials?
They're awaiting FDA clearance to begin trials. Had to
Right.
adjust protocols, but progress is steady.
Safety first, as always?
Absolutely. With over 800,000 people suffering from end-stage renal disease, the
That's
urgency
a
is
massive
real.
number. Do you think this will become mainstream soon?
I believe so. With continuous advancements, it's only a matter of time before it's standard practice.
It's exciting and a bit surreal, using animal organs to save human lives.
I know, it's like we're living in a sci-fi movie, but it's
Totally.
happening now.
Can't wait to see what the future holds. Maybe bioengineered organs on demand?
That would be incredible. It could end the organ shortage crisis. So many
Yes.
lives saved.
Here's hoping the research keeps advancing smoothly.
Absolutely. The future of medicine is bright, and I can't wait to see where it leads us.